Are you abducted by aliens too often? Maybe you should make an insurance against it. When you think of insurance policies, you usually think car insurance, house insurance, or even life and medical insurance. All these types are designed to protect your assets, yourself, and your family. While the average person wouldn't insure anything else, there have been celebrities out there who have gone beyond, covering their assets and health. And there have also been insurance companies who have thought of the weirdest scenarios possible and have come up with some odd insurance packages. Hello, and welcome to Curiosity Factor. From celebrity legs to alien abductions and bedbugs, ghosts and vampires. Today, we are bringing you the weirdest things people have gotten insurance for. So let's get started with something that you probably already knew of: body part insurance. Usually, you'll find celebrities opting for such an insurance, but this is not the only purpose. But for the fun of it, we'll have you know that model Heidi Klum has insured her legs for £1.5 million, while Mariah Carey's legs were insured for the insane amount of $1 billion. Speaking of legs and feet, the Lord of Dance, Michael Flatley, has insured his feet for £25 million. But it's not just feet and legs being insured. Bruce Springsteen has once taken an insurance policy worth $6 million for his voice. If you thought insuring body parts is weird, well, that was just the tip of the iceberg. There have been reports that Lloyd's of London, an insurance company renowned for its unusual policies, has started selling alien abduction insurance. So far, it has been reported that the company has sold over 30,000 of this type of policy throughout Europe. While Lloyd's of London has neither confirmed nor denied the selling of these type of insurance, Florida-based St. Lawrence Agency has openly admitted to selling alien abduction insurance since 1987. The St. Lawrence Agency provides insurance coverage for alien abductions with a limit of $10 million in the event that you are taken from Earth by an extraterrestrial. Although the idea may seem amusing, it is important to note that this policy is not genuine, and it is often bought as a gag gift. The insurance certificate includes coverage for situations such as multi-dimensional joyrides and mockery from family members, and in some cases, the coverage can be doubled to $20 million. But that is only possible if you can provide evidence of the abduction. According to the agency's website, the policy is available to anyone, regardless of age or flying frequency. Are you interested in one? Yet another insurance policy that is both for believers and non-believers. The insurance coverage for ghost, vampire, and werewolf attacks is for people who take paranormal and folklore dangers seriously, but also for those who don't. This insurance covers a variety of potential scenarios, including death, injury, and damage to personal effects caused by paranormal entities, such as ghosts or poltergeists, as well as attacks by popular folklore creatures like vampires and werewolves. If a policyholder is attacked by a vampire or werewolf and subsequently transforms into one, they will also be covered. Moving on from the extraterrestrial, paranormal, and supernatural, we have a more palpable threat: bedbugs. Numerous individuals assume that their homeowners or renters insurance policy provides comprehensive coverage, only to be disappointed when their claim is rejected due to being a non-covered claim. For example, while it's commonly known that flood damage isn't covered in Florida, it may come as a surprise that bedbugs are also not covered. For a typical homeowner, dealing with a bedbug infestation can cost between $1,000 and $2,000. However, if you own a bigger house, the costs can quickly escalate. And that's the reason why bedbug insurance became a thing. Next, you've probably heard of prenups, the contract a couple signs when they get married in order to protect their assets, right? Usually, a prenup specifies who owns what and makes sure that in the case of a divorce, the parties walk away with their initial assets untouched. Pretty cool thing, huh? But what happens if your loved one changes their mind before the big day? You've paid the vendors, bought the dress and tux, you've put so much money into making the day special, and now it's not even going to happen. And you're out of pocket too. Luckily, there is a cold feet insurance policy available that you can count on. It might sound non-committal, or maybe even distrusting of your partner, but this is a policy that is meant to protect the innocent one, aka the one that gets dumped. So if your girlfriend changes her mind before the big day, she or her family cannot make a claim on the insurance, but you can, and the same goes the other way round. But if you do get married, there's another insurance policy that you might want to consider, a multiple birth one. This type of insurance is mostly available in the UK and protects parents from the financial burden of a double, triple, or quadruple surprise. While having one bundle of joy can be great and fulfilling, things start to get a bit stressful when you're expecting twins or triplets, so this insurance is there to ease a bit of that stress for parents. When you think of winning the lottery, you probably are already aware that the odds are not in your favour. The chances of hitting the jackpot are usually slim to none. However, if you do manage to win, you should know that your employer may have taken steps to protect themselves in this instance. This is where lottery insurance comes into play. Lottery insurance protects against the cost of an employee suddenly quitting due to winning the lottery. Does this particularly affect you as an employee? No, but for a business, it's good to know that they will not be left without staff should they win the lottery. But that's just one type of lottery insurance. There are multiple types. For example, there is a type of insurance policy that is designed to protect the organisers of lotteries or contests from the financial risks of paying out large cash prizes to winners. These policies are typically purchased by companies, organisations, or individuals that run lotteries, raffles, sweepstakes, or other promotional contests. There is also a hole-in-one golf insurance. If you've ever tuned into a golf tournament or attended a charity event, chances are you've witnessed some form of reward, such as a sum of money, an impressive car, or a vacation deal, offered for successfully making a hole-in-one on a designated hole. The likelihood of this achievement occurring for an everyday golfer is incredibly low, around 1 in 12,500. However, event organisers typically can't afford to take on the financial responsibility. As a result, they opt to work with hole-in-one insurance companies, which shoulder the risk for a small fee. What other weird insurance policies have you heard of? Let us know the oddest ones in the comments section below. And if you enjoy learning fun facts and want to see more, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again in our next video.